Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Wednesday the 6th of November. I just got a package in the mail today from my sister and my friend Jaclyn for my birthday. So I'll try to remember to leave Jaclyn's channel down below. You guys probably all know Jaclyn by now because we've been friends for years. So anyway, my birthday's on the 17th of November, so they sent me birthday presents. I also got a present from Ourlittlegingerbreadhouse, my other good friend here on YouTube. But I opened that and pre-recorded it. It's going up on Vlogmas Day 2. But I might do a birthday haul after my birthday, so you guys can see that. But then you can see the unboxing on my channel on Vlogmas. But anyway, Ourlittlegingerbreadhouse also sent a gift for Kaylee for Christmas. And she wanted her to open it early so that she could have use the stuff throughout the holidays. So I'm going to tag my unboxing of my Sephora birthday present from, oh, I gave it away, from my sister and Jaclyn. And then Kaylee unboxing her, that was my birthday present, and then Kaylee's Christmas present. I'm going to show those videos right after this. So I hope you guys enjoyed them. If you're not into gift openings, then you can skip this video. This is just a little bonus video that I put up. I might put up a birthday vlog on my birthday instead of doing it for Vlogmas, but I'm not sure. So anyway, if you guys want to see what I got for my birthday from my sister and from Jaclyn, stay tuned for the video. And if you want to see what Kaylee got from Ourlittlegingerbreadhouse, then stay tuned for the video. So I'll link all the channels down below. Talk to you guys soon. Bye everyone. Hey guys, so I just got a package in the mail. Now, my sister, I picked out something. She asked me what I wanted for my birthday, so I picked out something. But what I did was I sent money to Jaclyn to get it because I'm no longer, it's a Sephora package. I'm no longer Rouge or VIB or anything at Sephora because I haven't been spending money. So I used Jaclyn's discount. Thanks, Jaclyn. But Jaclyn also included something in here for my birthday that she picked out for me. So I'm going to do a little unboxing. So I know what my sister got me. So let's just open her up. I haven't got makeup in such a long time. This is exciting to get a Sephora package. So good things come in small packages.
She looks at herself in the mirror and says she's happy.
Don't we all just love Mike's commentary on my videos? Okay, so okay, this isn't the thing from my sister. This is from Jaclyn. I wanted to try these, and I mentioned it to her that I wanted to try these. Jaclyn, you're always taking notes of things that I said. I was going to get these for Christmas, because Mike said to pick out what I wanted for Christmas, and I was going to get this. Oh, these are going to be perfect. It is lip balms, but they're a little bit tinted. But it's treatment for your lip, and I thought these are going to be perfect for the winter. And you know what? I'm wondering if this is sold out, because this is something that would sell out. And I think, it's Summer Fridays, by the way. And it's this, what are they called? The Mini Neutrals Lip Butter Balm. I never tried the butter bombs, but I know they're all the rage, and I wanted to try them. And when I seen this kit come online, I thought, you know, this is going to be a perfect way to try them because there's 4 minis in here. So I get to try 4 different colors, and it's neutral, so it's all colors that I could wear every day. Oh my God! Thank you, Jaclyn. And they all smell, I think they're all supposed to be scented, so let's have a look. I know what my sister got me, so now this is the excitement. Okay, there are colors on them, but I can't read them because they're way too small.
Let me see. I got my glasses and I can't.
Okay, here, they're listed here. That one is brown sugar. This one's brown sugar. I'm not going to swatch them. I just want to smell them. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah.
He's making fun of me. This one is iced cafe. Oh, that smells delicious.
Oh.
Mike.
What? I'm helping you.
This one is vanilla beige.
Hee-haw, hee-haw.
Smells like vanilla. Hopefully there's a decent amount of product in each one. And this one is just vanilla. I don't know which one is the limited edition or if they're all. I don't know. You guys let me know if you guys have tried these. And that one smells similar to the other one. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So, yeah. Thank you again. And then this is no samples in the bag. That's okay. And this is what my sister got me. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Palette. I wanted this one. My sister got me an Anastasia Beverly Hills palette last year too. She got me the Mini Sultry palette. But when I looked at the two new releases for this year, this one screamed Sherry. Because I was looking at the ColourPop Frosty the Snowman palette too with the icy purples and blues. And then I seen this. And I figured ColourPop was going to be a lot more expensive compared to this. So, yeah. I just wanted to go for this. So here's, I'm going to give you guys a little look on what it looks like. If you guys want to see me, I can maybe try to do a look with it, but this is beautiful. So thank you, Crystal. I appreciate that. I can't wait to get into these icy colors. Like that's so, look at it. I don't want to blind you guys with the mirror, but these
I want some of that on my face.
icy purples and blues. Yeah, I'll put some. I'm sure Kaylee will put some on your face. Kaylee's not allowed to touch this one, though. I let Kaylee touch the more affordable palettes. Oh, look. The most satisfying sound in the world, guys. If I can get it. If you're a makeup person, that's the most satisfying sound and feeling in the world. Thank you, Jaclyn and Crystal, so much. I really appreciate those gifts. I also got a birthday gift from my friend Ourlittlegingerbreadhouse. Just going to let you guys know that is already put up for Vlogmas. So that's going to be on Vlogmas Day 2 if you're interested to see what she got me. Just because I wanted to include that in that. So just to let you guys know that she got me a birthday gift as well. So, yeah. Oh. So let's just continue on with my day. Okay, Kaylee's down. And Kaylee got a package from our little gingerbread house. So she's going to open it. That's all for you. It's not from me. You can open it up and look inside. See what's in there. Do you need help?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, okay. Yeah, look, it's double bagged. Hold on a second. Here, you hold that end and I'll hold this end and we'll rip it. There you go. Can you pull stuff out now? Do you need me to open it more?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. There's one thing. Can you get that out? Oh, they got it jam-packed. It's in there tight, isn't it? Ah, there. What's that? What is it? What is it? Do you know what it is? You can rip the package if you have to. It's so soft. What is this? I'm helping her. Oh my goodness, what is that? Is it a blanket? Oh look, Kaylee, it has sprinkles on it from cupcakes.
My blankie.
It's my blankie too.
It's my blankie too. No, it's your blankie.
There.
It's my blankie.
It's mine too.
You love blankies, don't ya?
Yeah.
You.
Let's see this.
Oh, what's that? Oh, she don't know what to go for first. What's that? What is it? Is it lights?
Yeah.
I think they're shaped like ginger. Oh, it's gingerbread man lights.
But don't hurry
Here, give me some blankets.
Grandpa's gonna get batteries in it for you. Here's more. What's this one?
This is kitty cat one. It's a kitty cat.
It's a kitty cat. Look, I think it... Oh, look, there's a zipper. Pull the zipper over. There you go. Now you can open it up. Is it... What? Jammies?
No.
It's a night dress.
It's a nice dress. It's maybe too big. Maybe too big.
Well, we'll try it on you and see if it fits you in a few minutes. No, don't put it on. Just wait a minute. Okay, see what else you got in here. There's something else. What's that one?
It's a thing. It's try open it.
Oh, an oven mitt.
Oh, there's the door.
It's an oven mitt for when you're baking, when you come down here and bake with me. What else is in there? There's more stuff in there.
Whoa, this.
That's a pot holder.
Yeah.
What's that?
It's a template.
It's a what?
It's a wish.
Oh, that's just the instructions. That's a baking hat.
Oh, it's all done.
Are you a baker? Oh, look. Gingerbread lights.
Yeah. Let's put them up on Christmas.
You'll put them up at Christmas? Yeah. Okay.
I don't want this up yet.
And what? You got it all over the place. Wait, there was another piece in here. What else was in there? I seen something else. Right here. What's that? Is that an apron for when you're baking?
Yeah. It's an apron.
And a cooking hat and mitts? Wow.
Where's the Mickey? The Mickey.
Where's the... no, there only comes one because it's an oven mitt. I got to keep all the plastic over here. Kaylee, I seen something else here too. Where'd it go? Right here. There's another package right there.
Oh.
Can you get it open?
Yeah. So,
Okay, hold on. What is it?
touch it.
Yeah, but what's in there? I think something goes in. Oh, it looks like this might be a light or something. Is that what that is? Is it a light? It plugs in. That's it. Just pull it apart. It don't matter. I can throw the plastic in the garbage.
This is.
Where? Oh, is it a gingerbread house?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think maybe what you do is you put it in here.
Okay.
That's it. And then I think this, we'll get a plug for it. I think this lights up.
This is really the plug.
Yeah, I just got to get a plug for it. We'll light it up and see what it looks like. What do you say?
Thank you.
Say thank you, Courtney.
Thank you, Courtney. Thank you for this thing, Courtney.
What do you like the best? What's your favorite? The baking stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me use that.
There you go. Do you want to change the colors for me and show? Show how the colors change. Cool. Do you like that?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to put it away for now and then you can take it home.